Hey everybody, you've got a unique challenge this year. Well, several unique challenges. But the one that I want to talk about in this video is how to manage all of the things that you need to look at when you're programming in class. So there's a bunch of things. You have the program where you actually type in your code and run your code. Then you will probably have the assignment itself, which is where you read what you're supposed to program. Then you'll also need a notes document, and it could be your own notes or it could be notes that we provide for you that you can reference to remember how stuff works. And you'll also be logged into a Zoom session, so you can see other people's screens, you can share your screen. That's a lot of different stuff to manage, and if you, as you just saw right now, it's kind of difficult to switch back and forth between the windows. It's not a very good way to manage your resources. So let me show you a better approach. If you're on a Windows machine, there's a really nice thing that you can use called virtual desktops. Macs have them also, but I can't show you because I don't have a Mac. If you click down here in your taskbar, this says Task View, and it will show you all of your currently opened windows, but then at the top, you can click New Desktop, and that will create a secondary desktop, and you see there's nothing in there right now. So you can click back and forth between Desktop 1 and Desktop 2, and you can create as many as you want. You could create, well, in fact, let's do several. Let's do 4 different desktops. So my recommendation is that you use one desktop for each type of thing that you'll need to look at. And here's how you can move your windows around. Back inside Task View, let's drag my face over to Desktop 4. And we'll have the quick reference, which is your notes, be in Desktop 3. And we'll have the assignment be in Desktop 2. And then, where did I put the, let's try this again. And then here is the program where you type your code, and that can sit here in Desktop 1. So, as you're typing your code, you can rapidly switch to other desktops by hitting the Windows key, holding it down, the Control key, holding it down, and then the right arrow, like this. So here's the assignment, and then back to coding. Assignment, back to coding. Over to notes. Oop, where are my notes? Here they are. Here are the notes. And then back to assignment, notes. Here's the Zoom, hi. And then all the way back to my coding. So I think this makes it a lot easier to manage your screen space when you need to have a lot of different stuff visually at once. If you have a Mac, Ms. Glenn is going to show you on her Mac what this looks like and how you can do it.